Okay, we have some rails where somebody went a little crazy with all different kinds of paints. This probably was never sanded down. So we're just trying to get it sanded down smooth so we can put a white coat over it. So if there's a little bit of hangy bits, I use just a light grit sandpaper. Okay, and I just go my hand just a light grit. It's about a 120 grit. Yeah. Look at that. I'd have to go a little bit higher in some of these spots, but it's pretty good. Pretty good at that motion there. Doesn't look like
that's chummy.
You got the grit there. Yeah. Yeah. Got the baby grit.
Hold on, look.
No.
Look at it.
No.
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 Look at it. Look at it.
No.
It's not there anymore.
No.
It's not there anymore.
No.
It was right there.
No.
Down to the
Yep.
spot, yeah.
It's just not the same.